Hello everyone, Sanbonani Dumela. Siboniso Duma, the man who handled his comrades very well. We gotta give credit when it's due. That's what I call leadership right there. The newly elected ANC KZN chairperson, Siboniso Duma, won his first leadership test by reining in unruly party members who attempted to embarrass President Cyril Ramaphosa on Sunday. Remember, there were rumors that Ramaphosa won't go to the KZN ANC conference. I mean, it could be possible that the man changed Cyril Ramaphosa's mind. The former president, Jacob Zuma's supporters, sang Wenzenu Zuma, meaning what did Zuma do, and chanted the former statesman's name when Ramaphosa entered the hall where the 9th elective conference was taking place in Durban. The song was the expression of dissatisfaction over the manner in which the former president was arrested in 2021. Once Cyril Ramaphosa took his seat among the newly elected top 5, Duma took to the podium and asked the comrades who chanted change to come to order. Amandla, that's what he said. He then said, one of the characteristics of the ANC is the ability to be patient with one another. It does not matter what our differences are. We have one ANC in South Africa currently, and the president is Matamela Ramaphosa. Cyril Ramaphosa addressed more than 1,600 delegates gathered at the Olive Convention Center to elect a new leadership amid concerns about how he would be received. Siboniso thanked the delegates for the manner in which they had presented themselves so far. Duma said, "We know there are concerns, and we know you are disciplined comrades of the ANC. Your disciplined character will help this conference, which we have told the entire country is going to be smoothest conference," where he made history by adopting credentials within 15 minutes. "We have agreed on everything and decorandum, and comrades know we want to be united in KwaZulu-Natal." He considered there were issues in the province, and one was that we are not happy with the judicial system. "We are not going to be quiet," Siboniso said. Ramaphosa, as a president of the ANC, is aware the people of KwaZulu-Natal felt former President Zuma was persecuted by the system and deserves our protection. But he said because plenary and delegates in the branch general meetings know the process, they need to allow the president to speak. "We will tell the president about the issues." Duma confirmed that he spoke to the president and he congratulated him for the smooth running of the conference on Sunday morning and said, "He said job well done, comrades." He did not stop there. He also said there were matters they were dealing with and he thought he would be committed somewhere else. But I felt as a president of the ANC, KwaZulu-Natal is among the biggest provinces in the party, and left what he was doing to come here personally to address plenary. We have to applaud the man. Duma really did a great job right there. Hope we will see some big changes to the province. Share your views on this one. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.